Hey guys, Pat Man here with Clear Image Audio, 2019 Ram 1500. This truck's fully loaded. I'm actually surprised at all the features this thing has. This does have the big screen in the dash. Did a full stereo upgrade on this thing. Show you the boxes of the equipment that went in. I'm going to start off with the Amp Pro 4 from PAC and also the PAC CH03 harness. That allows you to do the integration to the audio without any problems. It also retains all of the digital features that the deck does. Alpine PXE X09. Well, you want the best processor, you get the best processor. Full cal mids and highs. You guys check those out. 4 kicker 8s. Kicker amps. Now I'm actually not utilizing the bass knob with the amp because the CH41 has a bass knob from factory. Show you guys how the install looks. Couldn't replace the doors, they still say Harman Kardon on them. So I actually have the 6.5 here, the tweeter here, and the little 2.5, 3-inch driver up there. Center channel's been deleted, and also the 2 tweeters that are in the top rear have been deleted too. That screen is just beautiful. Dodge did a really good job with this. If you take a look, the bass knob's here. Alpine controller's actually up here in the sunglass holder. Makes it real easy to take care of. Show you the sub box. Now, cool thing about these seats is they actually slide forward and back. And then this is the sub box here. Got all 4 8s, acrylic front. Customer already has lighting control that he had installed, and I just integrated it to the bottom side of this acrylic. So it'll light up with whatever color he has under the dash, under the back seat, and everything else. Full cal, the 6.5 tweeter back here behind the panel. That's pretty much it. This thing turned out good, sounds awesome. You got Bluetooth control from the phone for the Alpine processor. So volume knob works there. You leave the volume set on the Alpine controller, do all your crossover points, sound EQs and everything. This thing sounds really good. Pat Man, Clear Image Audio.